Good morning, all. Some two, three examples are remaining from this Laplace transform first chapter. So let us see, continuing with the last example, that is, if Laplace of J naught is one function is there, that is, this function actually called as Jacobian. So Laplace of J naught t equal to 1 upon root 1 plus s square. So here Laplace of J naught t is given, and the next Laplace is find the Laplace transform of this example is of evaluate the integration. So evaluate the integration from 0 to infinity j naught t dt. So this type of example have the different steps, that is, whatever the function, first step is whatever the function which is multiplied to exponential function. So in this example, this is the important or different example from this type 0 to infinity, evaluation of this integration 0 to infinity. So in this, whatever the steps are, whatever the function which is multiplied to exponential function, that is your ft. So first find ft, then its Laplace transform, and then in that Laplace transform answer put the value of s by comparing the given exponential function in this integration with e raised to minus st. So compare the given exponential function with e raised to minus st and find the value of s, and put this value of s in Laplace of ft answer. We get the final answer of this integration of 0 to infinity j naught t dt. So in this example, exponential function is not present, but we have to adjust the exponential function here because there are no any other steps for solving this integration by using Laplace transform definition or Laplace transform concept. So here we have to compulsory take the exponential function. So as how to take here? So j naught t into number is, the number is 1. So 1 we can take in the exponential form as e raised to, because e raised to minus st is to be compared with this exponential function from this example. So we have to take the exponential function in this form, e raised to minus st form. So here we have to take, as t is variable, so e raised to 0 power is 1. So we have to take, or we have to take such power that the power have the value 0. So here we have to take s equal to 0 or t equal to 0, so that e raised to minus 0 or e raised to minus 0, again e raised to minus 0 is again the value has having 1, because e raised to minus 0 equal to 1 upon e raised to 0, anything raised to 0 is 1, so 1 upon 1 is 1. So here we have to take s equal to 0 or t equal to 0, but t is here variable, hence we have to take s equal to 0, that is minus 0t. So here there is a 1 number, so instead of 1 we have to take exponential function, and exponential function compulsory we have to take here, so that that exponential function is of the form e raised to minus st type. So here we have to take s equal to 0 or t equal to 0, as t is here variable because integration is with respect to t, so we have to take s is equal to 0. So put s equal to 0 here, so we have to take here integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus 0t j naught t dt. So here, so this example we have to convert into exponential term into j naught t. So exponential term is like e raised to minus 0t into j naught t, integration from 0 to infinity dt. So this is your example. So whatever the function which is multiplied to exponential function, that is your ft. So here ft is your j naught t. Find its Laplace transform, that is Laplace of j naught t. So as in example Laplace of j naught t is given, so 1 upon root 1 plus s square. So this is your first step. Then in that answer put the value of s. So in this answer 1 upon root 1 plus s square, put s value as, so here how to find s value? So compare this exponential term from this example with e raised to minus st. So e raised to minus 0t, e raised to minus st, we get s equal to 0. So put here s equal to 0, we get 1 upon root 1 plus 0 square, that is 1, and this is your value 1 of your integration. So in this answer of this Laplace of j naught t, put s equal to 0, we get 1 value, and this is your one answer for this integration 0 to infinity j naught t dt. So this is the different example because here exponential term is not present in the example. So we have to compulsory take the exponential term as e raised to minus 0t. Then we can follow these steps. So next example is integration. Evaluate this integration. Same example is here. Evaluate the integration 0 to infinity t e raised to minus 3t j naught 4t dt. So here again this for this evaluation, first step is whatever the function which is multiplied to exponential function. In this example, exponential term is present. So t into j naught 4t is your term which is multiplied to e raised to minus 3t, and that is your ft value. So here ft is t into j naught 4t. Find this Laplace transform, that is Laplace of t j naught 4t. So for finding this Laplace transform, so the answer of this integration is equal to Laplace transform of ft. Ft is your term which is multiplied to exponential function. So t into j naught 4t, t into j naught 4t, this is your ft. Find its Laplace transform, and in that put s value. And what is the s value? Compare the e raised to minus st theory term with given exponential term, that is e raised to minus 3t. We get s equal to 3, so put s equal to 3. So this is your required answer of this integration. So in that, here Laplace, to find the Laplace transform is remaining. So find the Laplace transform of t j naught 4t. So to find t j naught 4t Laplace, there is a product of two terms. So t is multiplied to j naught 4t, so we have to apply multiplication by t property. So in this multiplication by t property, Laplace of the multiplication by t property is t raised to n ft. Laplace is minus 1 raised to n derivative, nth derivative of Laplace of ft. So this property we have to apply for t j naught 4t. So compare this left side of this property with this term. So we get t raised to n, t raised to nothing means t raised to 1. So n value is 1. Put in this property n equal to 1. So minus 1 raised to 1 is minus 1. D by ds, because n value is 1. So d by ds of Laplace of ft. So here ft value is, ft means t raised to n into ft. So by comparing left side of this property with this term, t raised to n, t raised to 1, that is n value is 1, and ft value is your j naught 40. So here we get ft is your j naught 40. So find its Laplace transform, Laplace of j naught 40, and put here value with first derivative and with minus sign. So Laplace of j naught 40 we have to find. Again, for finding Laplace of j naught 40, because Laplace of j naught t is given, but we can't have the answer directly given in the example, that Laplace transform of j naught 40. So for that we have to use change of scale property. So change of scale property is Laplace of f of at 1 by a. First find Laplace of ft, and in that put s equal to s by a. So this is your change of scale property. So again apply this property to find the Laplace of j naught 40. So compare this left side with this. Instead of f, there the function is given as j naught. So 40 at, that is a value is 4, and put here a value as 4. So Laplace of j naught 40 by this property is 1 by a, that is 1 by 4. Laplace of ft, and ft is here as f of at is your j naught 40. By comparing, f of at is your j naught 40. Then what is the value of ft? Instead of at, we have to take only single variable t. So here at means here a value is 4. So f of at or f of 40. because a value is here in this example as 4. So f of 40 is j0 40. Then what is the value of t? Instead of 40 we want this t only. So replace 40 by t. So we get j0 replace 40 by t. So j0 t. So as f of 80 means f of 40 is your, by comparing left side with this term, f of 80 is your j0 40, a value is 4. So f of 40 is your j0 40, ft value is j0 t. So here ft value is j0 t. So Laplace of j0 t, and its answer is given in example. Laplace of j0 t is 1 upon root 1 plus s square, and in that 1 by 4, a value is 4 here. Laplace of j0 t, that is 1 upon root 1 plus s square, with substitution s equal to s by 4. So put here s by 4. So s square upon 4 square, that is s square upon 16. S square upon 4 square. So simplify this. S square upon 16, then take the cross multiplication 16. This value will be s square upon 16. So take the cross multiplication 16 plus s square upon 16. Then take the root separately. So root 16 plus s square upon root 16 is 4. So this 4, this denominator term take on numerator. So 4 upon root 16 plus s square. So this 4 and this 4 get cancelled. We get 1 upon root 16 plus s square. So this is the answer of j0 4t Laplace. And j0 4t Laplace. So here this j0 4t Laplace we want here to find the Laplace of t into j0 4t. So multiplication by t property, we want Laplace of ft, and in this multiplication by t property, ft is your j0 4t, and Laplace of j0 4t is 1 upon root 16 plus s square. So put this answer in this multiplication by t property. So minus n value is 1 because t raised to n, t raised to 1, that is n value is 1. So minus d by ds of Laplace of j0 4t, and Laplace of j0 4t is this. So write this answer. Then take the derivative, first derivative of this 1 upon root 16 plus s square. So take on numerator. So minus 1. So in numerator this term is 16 plus s square, and root means raised to half. And when we take this power term in numerator, the power will be half power will convert to minus half. So 16 plus s square raised to minus half. Then take its derivative by using bracket raised to n derivative. So this type of example we have solved, or this concept we have used in previous lecture. So bracket raised to n derivative is nb raised to n minus 1 into derivative of b by using x raised to n original formula, nx raised to n minus 1. So b is your this bracket 16 plus s square. So put the value of b here in this answer. B raised to n, bracket raised to n, this bracket raised to minus half. So n value is your minus half, and b value is your 16 plus s square. So put n value minus half and b value 16 plus s square here. We get minus half b raised to minus half minus 1, minus half b raised to, this is the value of b, raised to minus half minus 1 is minus 3 by 2 into derivative of b. Derivative of 16 plus s square is 16, derivative is 0, s square derivative is 2s. So simplifying we get this answer. So this is the answer. This is the answer of Laplace of t j0 4t, and this term we required here. So Laplace of in this term, which is the required, which will give you the required answer for this given integration. So Laplace of t j0 4t is this answer. This answer we have to put here with substitution s equal to 3. So put here s equal to 3. 3 upon 16 plus 3 square raised to 3 by 2. So 3 upon 25 raised to 3 by 2. So split this power 25 as 25 raised to half and its cube. So 25 raised to half means square root of 25 is 5. 5 cube is 125. So this is your answer of evaluation of this integration. So to find the answer of this integration, there are two steps. T into j0 4t is your ft, whatever the function multiplied to exponential function, that is your ft, that is t j0 4t. and second step is for having the answer of this required integration, put the substitution s equal to, or put the value of s, and to have the value of s, or to find the value of s, compare e raised to minus st theory term with e raised to minus 3t example term. We get s equal to 3. So this is your required answer. So in that, find the Laplace of t j naught for t by using multiplication by t property. And while we use the multiplication by t property, in that, for finding j naught for t Laplace, we have to use change of scale property. So number of times we have to use the previous properties. So these properties of Laplace transform are very important. Next example is, given that some Laplace transform of this 2 root t by pi is given 1 upon s raised to 3 by 2, and show that Laplace of root 1 upon root pi t is equal to 1 upon root s. So some particular term having Laplace, that answer is given, and we have to show that, or we have to find the Laplace of this 1 upon root pi t as 1 upon root s. So here, if the examples which are not given in this straightforward manner, then these examples confirmly, these examples are of Laplace of f dash t property. So we have this property Laplace of f dash t s into Laplace of f t minus f0. So the examples in which we use this property, these examples are not given in this straightforward manner. So in that hint, or thinking by this hint, which the examples which are not given in this straightforward manner, that is, find the Laplace transform of the given example. This is the straightforward example. So the examples which are not given in this straightforward manner, these examples are confirmly are of the type this property, that is Laplace of f dash t. So here Laplace of some term is given, and we have to show that Laplace of this term. So if we consider this first step is important, if we consider this ft value, that is Laplace of ft is given, and this value comes out to be f dash t. So let's check this. So consider, first step is important, consider this ft equal to 2 root t by pi. So take this root separately, root t upon root pi. So 2 upon root pi is your number constant, which is which is in the multiplication form. So write as it is, and take the derivative of root t with respect to t. So root x derivative is 1 upon 2 root x. So root t derivative is 1 upon 2 root t, because t is here variable. So if we assume ft equal to this given term 2 root t by root pi, then its f dash t comes out by cancelling this 2, we get 1 upon root pi root t, that is, take in the common only one root pi t. So the f dash t of this assumed term is come out to be f dash t, and this term is your required term. That is, this example is like, we have given Laplace of ft, and we have to find, we have given, if we assume this ft, this is your f dash t, and we have check here. So Laplace of ft is given, and we have to find or show that Laplace of f dash t, Laplace of f dash t, and this should come out to be 1 upon root s, which is your answer of Laplace of f dash t. So here, how to find Laplace of f dash t? So this is your formula. So Laplace of f dash t is equal to s into Laplace of ft minus f0. So put in this formula ft value and f dash t value. So f dash t is your, we have obtained this, f dash t is your 1 upon root pi t. So Laplace of Laplace of 1 upon root pi t is equal to s into Laplace of ft. Ft is your 2 root t by root pi, and its Laplace is given 1 upon s raised to 3 by 2. So s into Laplace of ft is 1 upon s raised to 3 by 2 minus f0. As ft is your 2 root t by root pi, f of 0 means ft is your 2 root t upon root pi. So f0 means replace t by 0 here. Replace, we want, instead of t we want 0. So replace t by 0 in this ft function. So 2 into root 0 upon root pi, so 0 value. So we get f0 equal to 0. So simplify this. 1 upon s upon s raised to 3 by 2 means take the numerator s in denominator. So we have s raised to minus 1 there. So as base is same, so add the two powers. So 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. That is 1 by root s. That is the required given answer. So this is a not straightforward example, so that we think that, or we guess that this example is of our Laplace of f dash t property. The next example is same property we have to apply here. In this example, given that Laplace of sine root t is this, so sine root t Laplace answer is given, and we have to prove that Laplace of cos root t by root t. So again, this is not a straightforward example. Some function with Laplace answer is given, and we have to find the Laplace of cos root t by root t. So this is example same as this. Some function having Laplace answer is given, and we have to find Laplace of the other term. So here Laplace of sine root t answer is given, and we have to find the Laplace of other term. So this example is of Laplace of f dash t property. And how to step out this for this example. So consider this ft value, Laplace of sine root t. So consider this ft equal to sine root t and find its f dash t, because we have to use the Laplace of f dash t property. So f dash t is means derivative of sine root t. So for sine root t derivative, use sin x derivative. Sin x derivative is cos x, that is sine single variable derivative is cos x. So here only t is not there, root t is given, so we have to use sine bracket derivative. So sine bracket derivative is cos bracket into derivative of bracket, or sin b derivative is cos b into derivative of b. So sine root t derivative is this root t is your value of b. So cos b, cos root t into derivative of b, that is derivative of root t. Root t derivative is 1 upon 2 root t, because root x derivative is 1 upon 2 root x. So root t derivative is 1 upon 2 root t. So here we get f dash t equal to cos root t upon 2 root t. That is function matched. In this example, this is your ft and its f dash t comes out your required example term. F dash t is your 1 upon root pi t, which is same as the required term. But in this example, if we consider this ft, its f dash t is cos root t upon root t. 1 by 2 is extra there, because this required example doesn't contain the 1 by 2 number. But there is no any problem about this 1 by 2 number, because this is constant and we can eliminate, or we can adjust this 1 by 2 at any step while solving or while using this property. So take this f dash t value, cos root t upon 2 root t, not this. So we assume ft equal to sine root t. So in this example, given that Laplace of ft is given, so consider this ft, and f dash t is your cos root t upon 2 root t. So put this value of f dash t and ft, our calculated value of f dash t and ft assumed value of ft in this property. So Laplace of f dash t is Laplace of cos root t upon 2 root t is equal to s into Laplace of ft, that is Laplace of sine root t, and Laplace of sine root t is given. So write this answer here, root pi upon 2 s raised to 3 by 2 into minus e raised to minus 1 by 4s. In f0 is, as ft is your sine root t, f0 is put t equal to 0. So sine root 0 is sine 0. Sine 0 value is 0. So we get f0 equal to 0. So simplify this. By simplifying, simple calculation is there, 1 by 2 get cancelled. So we get the required term, which is in the example. So there is no any problem about this constant. While we use this property, automatically that constant we can eliminate, or you can adjust for finding the required term. So here 1 by 2, by cancelling this 1 by 2, we get the required term Laplace transform. So Laplace of cos root t by root t is root pi upon again s upon s raised to 3 by 2. Here s upon s raised to 3 by 2 is s raised to half. So right, s raised to half means root pi upon s raised to half. S raised to half means by simplifying this s upon s raised to 3 by 2 we get s raised to half. S raised to half means root s, and root pi upon root s, that is root pi by s, or root means pi by s raised to half into e raised to minus 1 by 4s. So this is your, to have this required answer we have to simplify this power terms or this root function in the form of power, because the required answer contains the power term. So hence this root term converted to power term, that is raised to half term. Then so the next example you can take as a assignment. If ft equal to t plus 3 and 1, find Laplace of ft and Laplace of f dash t. So here function and condition, two things are given, and to find the Laplace of ft, that is given function Laplace transform, we have to use Laplace transform definition. And to find the Laplace of f dash t, we have to use the property, that formula, Laplace of f dash t formula, s into Laplace of ft minus f0. And f0 here, only thing is that to find the f0 from the given ft, because here ft are distributed in two functions, t plus 3 and 1. So from ft to find f0 means put t equal to 0. But in which function we have to put t equal to 0? So check this condition, because here we want function at t equal to 0. Then we get the f0 value. So at t equal to 0 means this ft value is when t is greater than 2. So for t equal to 0, this condition matches with this first term, first condition. So t equal to 0 here, t equal to 0. So we have to take ft t plus 3, not 1, because this 1 is for t greater than 2. And for t equal to 0, the first condition matches. So for this condition, ft is given as t plus 3. So take ft equal to t plus 3, and from this find f0, that is put t equal to 0 in this t plus 3. So 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. So we get f0 value, and to put this f0 value as 3 in Laplace of f dash t. So this is your first chapter, Laplace transform. We have completed in 14 to 15 lectures. So complete all the assignments and send to the classroom app. Thank you.